Ltd, and today we're going to make another quick, easy recipe from the coconut. Now, many of our dessert recipes call for desiccated coconut, and I know some of you are asking, what is desiccated coconut? Well, today I'm going to share with you how you can make that and some other recipes that you can use that are super delicious. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 1 dried coconut. The first step is to get the coconut meat from inside the shell. So we're going to use a hammer and a bag. We're going to go ahead and we're going to crack the coconut. You may have to do it a couple of times. And once you would have cracked the coconut, we're going to use a blunt knife. Or a spoon, it depends on how skilled you are. We're going to remove the coconut from the shell. And when it comes to desiccated coconut, we like to remove the outer brown portion of the coconut. We're going to cut it into some small pieces, then we're going to shred it. We are halfway there. Our coconut is shredded, beautiful and white, nice and moist because it's fresh. Now over our hot pan, you're going to put absolutely nothing in it but the coconut. Now if you have a non-stick pan, I recommend you use that, but use whatever you have. And we're going to constantly turn or saute our shredded coconut for about 5 minutes because we're going to remove all of the moisture. Now over our hot pan, you're going to put absolutely nothing in it but the coconut. Now if you have a non-stick pan, I recommend you use that, but use whatever you have. And we're going to constantly turn or saute our shredded coconut for about 5 minutes because we're going to remove all of the moisture. All right. We're going to turn our stove down to low, and you will notice the heat will produce a natural oil from the coconut, so you don't have to add any oil to your pan because the coconut already produces its own oil. And if we continue to do this for a long time, this is one method where we can also make coconut oil. But today we're just making desiccated coconut. Our desiccated coconut is done. Now you will see the difference. There is a dryness about it. It's almost as if we fried our shredded coconut. Now this is perfect for all of our recipes, like coconut fudge, coconut balls, and so many others that I'll share with you. Desiccated coconut? Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this coconut recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other coconut recipes, and once you've watched them all, just click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.